Traditionally, moving physical cash into a bank account requires a trip to a branch and a long wait in line. Now, a neighborhood point-of-sale merchant acts as a high-velocity alternative, rapidly scanning a token and processing the deposit in one continuous motion. To utilize this protocol, a user simply needs a smartphone with the banking app, the physical currency for deposit, and a participating local merchant. The goal is to remove the need for heavy brick-and-mortar infrastructure. By turning retail shops into decentralized cash injection nodes, the banking system moves directly to the street corner. This shift allows physical cash to reach the digital layer in under 90 seconds, using the existing retail footprint of the neighborhood. The most efficient deposit path begins before the user enters the store. While in transit, the depositor opens their app and inputs the exact amount they intend to hand over. This mock-up shows the interface once staged. The app generates a unique QR token, anchoring the transaction to the ledger and clearing initial fraud filters. The token is time-bound. It will expire if not used within a specific window, a security constraint designed to prevent staging fraud. Once at the counter, the merchant cashier scans the token directly from the depositor's smartphone. This scan instantly populates the merchant's point-of-sale screen with the exact cash amount due. This eliminates the need for manual typing. The cashier collects the bills, confirms the count matches the screen, and hits Authorize. The user receives an immediate push notification confirming the credit. Pre-staging the transaction digitally removes the risk of manual fat finger errors. It results in a verified digital credit without the need for paper receipts. If a user hasn't generated a token in advance, they can use the assisted cashier method. This requires the cashier to manually input the account number and count the cash. Because of the manual steps, this method has higher friction and a greater statistical risk of entry errors. A second alternative is the self-service kiosk. Located inside the merchant property, these units allow users to feed bills directly into an automated authenticator. This logic flowchart shows the oversight trigger protocol. When a kiosk deposit exceeds a set risk threshold, the transaction pauses and sends an alert to the merchant's main register. The merchant then performs a visual check and taps Approve to release the funds. To protect funds during connectivity issues, the system uses a network timeout safeguard. If the connection drops mid-transaction, an automatic rollback is triggered on the ledger. The point-of-sale screen then instructs the cashier to return the physical bills to the depositor immediately. These redundant pathways and automated rollbacks ensure physical cash is never lost in a digital limbo. From the merchant's perspective, the primary concern is liquidity. They need to process these deposits without disrupting daily cash requirements. The system manages this through the digital mirror, a pre-funded Fluid account maintained on the network switch. This balancing scale visualizes deposit mechanics. On the left, physical bills move into the merchant's till. Simultaneously, the digital float is debited the exact amount plus a fee. Predictive software monitors this, alerting merchants to rebalance before service is interrupted. This cycle optimizes the shopkeeper's cash management. They end the day with more physical currency and a lower digital float, balancing books automatically. This model converts physical currency into verified ledger credits faster than the time it takes to complete a standard retail purchase. The user receives instant financial access. The merchant benefits from an automated system that optimizes their cash intake. To find a participating node, you can use the Store Locator tool within your banking application. By utilizing neighborhood storefronts as decentralized nodes, this network provides a scalable pathway for physical cash to enter the digital economy.